Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to quickly make stockings for your rainbow high doll. Let's get right into it. First, we need to make a pattern. I fold a small piece of paper in half. Then I trace around the rainbow high doll leg. You can make short socks for your doll using the same principle. Then I cut out the pattern and make necessary adjustments. I decided to use this sparkly fabric for doll stockings. It's very thin, so I use double layer. And I fold it in half after that. Pin it in place and trace the pattern. Use washable marker or pencil to trace. Can't forget about seam allowance. Next step, cutting it out. Repeat previous steps for next stocking. I am going to add lace that matches the dress to the top of her stockings. These stockings are about 4.5 inches tall and 1.25 inch wide. I attach lace to the stocking face together and sew. I make another seam on the face of the stocking to secure this lace in place. Then sew the stocking together. Here's what it looks like so far. But I decided to add another detail to these stockings. To make tiny bows, we'll need thin ribbon and a fork. I need to make sure that the knot is real tight. Cut off excess ribbon for desired length and make another bow. I sew the bows in place. And here's the end result. You can use any kind of fabric, stretchy is even better. I hope you liked this quick tutorial. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.